In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ActiveCampaign lists effectively. Let's dive into your ActiveCampaign dashboard where you'll start by creating a new list. To do this, head over to Contacts, then click on Lists and select Add a List. Here's where you'll need to put in some details. First, select a clear and specific name for your list, like main newsletter or course leads, then input the list URL. This is typically your website or your opt-in page. You'll also need to fill in a short description explaining the purpose of this list. With that done, go ahead and click Add List. Now that you've set up your list, let's move on to adding contacts to it. You've got several options here. Firstly, you can import a CSV file. Simply navigate to Contacts, then Import, upload your file, and assign those contacts to your newly created list. Alternatively, you might prefer to add contacts manually. For this option, go to Contacts, choose Add Contact, and select the list you want them in. Lastly, for automatic additions, set up your forms or automations so that when someone fills them out, they're instantly added to the right list. With your contacts in place, it's time to manage your list settings. Click on Lists, select the list name you're working with, and then head to Advanced Settings. Here, you have the chance to customize your opt-in confirmation emails, which is essential for keeping your communications professional. Don't forget to add a default from name and email for consistent sender identification. Additionally, you can set up notification emails to alert you when someone subscribes or unsubscribes from your list. It's essential to always provide a clear unsubscribe option. Doing this keeps your list healthy and compliant with email regulations. Moving ahead, you might want to use your lists in campaigns. When you're ready to create a campaign, start by choosing Campaigns, then click on Create Campaign. Select your list as the recipient group, and for more precise targeting, you can filter further by segment or tag, such as VIPs or new subscribers. This ensures your emails reach just the right audience. To save both effort and time, you can automate your list management. Head over to Automations, click on Add New, select Contacts, then Add or Remove from List. For example, you might automate a process where a contact who makes a purchase is automatically shifted from the prospects list to customers. Or, if they unsubscribe, they can be moved to a do not email list. Finally, making sure your lists are clean and well maintained is crucial for high deliverability rates. Make it a habit to remove inactive contacts every few